So this year our focus in Sparsh is to create a customized solutions, looking into what are the challenges being faced by customers with our Sparsh cameras, which are additional eyes, where we can put brain along with these eyes and create some useful solutions around it. So this is the major focus going around it. So we have been able to create few solutions which are very unique. One of those solutions is a torch camera. So everyone might have seen it. This kind of a torch is being carried by various policemen. When you are moving on the road, there are barriers. So policemen sitting on the barrier, they just put in a torch on you. But whatever they are saying, you are not aware about it. So what we have done, we have put up a camera with a face recognition capability here on the edge. We can store 10,000 faces of suspects which can be stored in this torch. If this torch is, when shown on the face of the suspect and it matches it, so it starts vibrating in my hand. So I am able to know that he is a suspect, but he is not able to know that he is a suspect. This torch has a backend of 4G. The very same moment the data goes to the central control room, and where the information is being sent that this particular suspect has been found at this particular location. Various different kind of use cases during the disaster, when somebody is looking for his relative, sitting in a control room in Delhi with a NDRF guy on the site. Somebody gives the picture of his relative, that picture can be uploaded here on the air, and the person can be tried to find out during all the casualties which are there on the street. We are doing one very unique project with Delhi Police, where we are trying to create a database of child beggars on the road, and Delhi Police is making that database. That database is being matched with NCRB data to find out if there are certain missing children, and we are trying to do something which is a CSR activity which is being done by our company. 5G cameras is another new technology. So 5G private networks is going to be the next big thing. So we have launched the full series of 5G cameras. We are happy to tell you that last month during the marriage of the century, we can talk in this very same premises, 150 5G cameras private network was built to monitor the activities of various guests which were there in this halls. So these are few things we are trying to create indigenously. The complete technology, hardware, software, applications, everything has been designed, developed in India. We are a government approved design center, and happy to say that we are giving a hard time to the multinationals who were selling these products. Whatever solutions they had, we are being able to create some value out of these solutions, where these solutions are not, now these cameras are not dead objects. They are objects with the brain, and they are able to provide certain information before the event, and we are able to solve few cases and stop few disasters before they are going to happen. So thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.